Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Yeah! Alright Jelly Beans, I have an amazing news for you in this video. But it's an unboxing video from Whatnot. It's an unboxing video from Whatnot. I got two boxes, one from Groovy Cars and the other one from El Kuwait Collectibles. I'll be right back. Alright Jelly Beans, I am back and I'm gonna get to the latest box first. This is from Whatnot. My link will be down below, along with the El Kuwait Collectibles and Groovy Cars. Their links will be down below. So, if you ever join under my link, you will get an in-app credit that you will use towards your first purchase. And if you would like to check out El Kuwait and Groovy Cars. Alright, let's rip this box open. And the good news that I have for you Jelly Beans, that most of y'all know that I am a Special Olympics athlete of New Jersey. I was recently in tryouts for Team New Jersey for USA Games. This past Wednesday, Wednesday was the 20th of August 2025. I received in my mailbox a congratulations letter saying that I was selected to represent Team New Jersey for Special Olympics USA Games held in Minnesota for 2026 in June. So, and just to let y'all know, the opening ceremonies is televised on ESPN. So you will be able to see me on ESPN while walking through the opening ceremonies. I think that is pretty awesome, and like volleyball is a sport I tried out for. Volleyball is my favorite sport to play. So that's why I chose to play volleyball. I do play other sports, but like I said, volleyball is my sport. There's nothing that hits me like volleyball. I'm just being honest. Alright, this one is from Groovy Cars. Oh my Lanta. This is an RLC. This is my first ever RLC. It's the 1941 Willys Gasser. Let me open this protective sleeve up carefully and take this tape off. Oh my god, this is an amazing car. Just to let y'all know, this is my first ever RLC. Holy Atlantis. Take this sticker off there. first ever RLC. That is freaking awesome. And I am not a chaser. I do not chase after vehicles. Money car. I do not chase after that. The price was there, and I pretty much sniped the person. That's an amazing looking car. It looked amazing in my collection downstairs. Alright, here we go. Elquit collectibles package. Again, I am super excited for Team New Jersey and being a part of Team New Jersey. It's awesome. It's like I've like in years past when I knew about USA games and World Games and all that stuff for Special Olympics, I've asked them how come Jersey does not have a team to represent for volleyball, and like they really didn't know, but they were like in the works of it, and it's I think been since like I want to say since 2018 or 19 that I asked, and they said they were working on it, and they worked on it, and they got a team together, and I am so happy to be a part of the first volleyball team for New Jersey. I know there are other states out there that has had teams out there for a long time, and like we're the first team for New Jersey for the volleyball. But hey, I am so happy, and we can do it. This is a NSX, Honda NSX, Kaido House, however you say it. It's a Nissan NSX, or Honda NXX. I'm sorry, Mini GT, Kaido House, Mini GT. That's a pretty sweet car. I did have this car before, and it got lost. I bought it from Elquit Collectibles about a month and a half ago, maybe 2 months ago, and it got lost, so I purchased another one. Thank you, Elquit. Now, this other stuff here. I don't know what one to show you first. I guess I will pick this because USA games, Team New Jersey. Same. Chevy Cheyenne Super 30. That's a beautiful crew cab truck. I believe it's a dually. It's a very, very nice truck. Thank you very much. Can't wait to put this with the rest of my M2s. I'm an M2 nut. I love my M2s. Yeah, I know I have a lot of Hot Wheels. I'm not a Hot Wheel person, but I still collect them. And like, if I have a lot of doubles, I'll donate them for Toys for Tots during Christmas time. Hey, that's out on my PC. So, alright everybody. I know my boy TB Hobbies would like this one. It's a Chevy Camaro, 1969 Chevy Camaro M2 Sprite car. That's a nice looking car. Very nice. I like it a lot. That's very nice. I messaged somebody on Facebook for something earlier. Hopefully they get back to me. Alright everybody, here we go. Here is a Greenlight Hobby exclusive 1972 Chevy Cheyenne C10. I love Greenlight too. Johnny Lightning, AW. I like them all. I'm just not fond of Hot Wheels too much. Yeah, I know I got a Hot Wheel RLC, which is freaking amazing. I love that car. Alright, here we go. Here is a 1969 Ford F100 Ranger Coca-Cola truck. That's a nice looking truck. That's a nice looking truck. I like this a lot. I like Whatnot very much. Yes, it's very costly. I mean, very costly. I did take a break from it for a while. I can't like go back to what I used to do when, like a few months ago. But I'm really excited that I purchased these, and I'm waiting for another box, but the postal service is doing me dirty, y'all. Doing me dirty. It's a very big box. I mean, a big order. And post office is doing me dirty. So, but anyway, Jelly Beans, it's supposed to be a good video. I'm happy and excitement video. Special Olympics USA, Team New Jersey. Can't wait, baby. In June 2026, look for me in Minnesota. Have a good day. Peace.